a lot of people complain, oh, I started using this skin whitening product, and instead of getting that lighter, I'm getting darker. Most of the time, your skin has already produced a huge amount of melanin. Either you are exposing yourself to the sun. Now, if you'd like to learn more about skin whitening and its mechanism, and you want to just basically understand how exactly does your skin get whiter when you use skin whitening products, then you definitely want to keep on watching. Hey Flawless Skin Gang, welcome back to the channel. If you're just seeing my face for the first time, hi, my name is Sele Kalio, and I am a Nigerian-based beauty influencer, a skincare DIY specialist. I create weekly videos on skincare DIYs, product reviews. I create videos centered around skincare and beauty. So if these are things that you're interested in, you want to learn about your skin, you want to learn how to make skincare products at home, you want to learn about skincare formulation and everything that has to do with skincare, like I said, and beauty, then this channel is for you. I would love for you to join the family by clicking the red button down below and make sure you are subscribed to this channel. Now, if you're a returning subscriber, hey best friend, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be talking about skin whitening. We're going to be talking about skin whitening, the chemical reaction behind skin whitening, the process of skin whitening from the basal layer. Now, if you don't know what the basal layer is the deepest layer of the epidermis, and the epidermis is the topmost layer of your skin. Now, I have a video where I talked about all of this. I'm going to link it somewhere in the video for you guys to watch. We're going to be exploring different ingredients that actually whiten the skin and how they actually do these chores. Now, before we dive into the details of skin whitening from the basal layer, let's first of all understand the basic. Now, the basal layer, which is also known as the stratum basal, is the deepest layer of your epidermis, and your epidermis is the topmost layer of your skin. Now, this particular layer of your epidermis, which is that's the basal layer of the epidermis, which is the innermost layer of the skin of the epidermis, plays a crucial role in the production of new skin cells. Now, how this happens is that the new skin cells migrate and replaces the new ones on the top of your skin. Now, this layer is where the process of skin whitening begins. Now, in order for us to completely understand this topic, I'm going to take time to explain the skin pigmentation. Now, the color of our skin is determined by a pigment that is called melanin. And this pigment, or this melanin, is produced by specialized cells that are called melanocytes. And these melanocytes are located in the basal layer of the skin. The basal layer of the skin is the innermost layer of the epidermis. I hope you guys are following. Now, melanin, which is the pigment, of course, that gives us the color of our skin, our eyes, our hair, it comes in two main forms, which is the eumelanin and the pheomelanin. Now, the eumelanin is the pigment that is characterized with brown or black pigments, while the pheomelanin are basically the colors or the pigment that influences the red tone or the yellow tone in our skin. Now, the amount of these melanin or these forms of pigments will determine the color of your skin. Now that we know the two forms of melanin that we have, let's go ahead to talk about the melanin production process. Now, melanin production starts with the activation of an enzyme that is called tyrosinase. Now, these enzymes convert the amino acid tyrosine into a molecule that is known as dopaquinone. Now, this dopaquinone undergoes a series of chemical reactions, which then leads to the formation of different types of melanin. Now, one of the most common approach to skin whitening is to inhibit the activities of tyrosinase. Now, this particular inhibition can be achieved by using different kinds of skin whitening actives. We have hydroquinone, we have alpha-arbutin, we have kojic acids, we have vitamin C. We have a lot of skin lightening ingredients or actives that can be used for this purpose. Now, these actives work by interfering with the enzymic activities of tyrosinas, which then prevents the conversion of tyrosines to dopaquinone. Now, when this happens, the production of melanin is reduced, which then leads to skin whitening. Do you understand? It's like magic, right? It's a very interesting topic. Now, if you would like to learn more, you want to go deeper, you want to dig deeper, you want to learn everything that you need to know to create an effective skin whitening product, then you definitely want to join our specialized skin whitening advanced course. Now, this course is going to help you understand in total the production of skin whitening products and also the mechanisms and different ingredients that actually attack tyrosinas in different forms so as to get an even skin complexion. Now, a lot of people do make skin whitening products, but you don't get that flawless, even skin complexion because they don't know what ingredients to combine and how to combine them to get an even complexion. Now, another strategy that can achieve or help you achieve a whiter complexion involves regulating the functions of melanocytes. Now, some of the common ingredients that play a key role in this process include retinoids and niacinamides. Now, there are more advanced ingredients that will be taught in our specialized skin whitening advanced course. So if you would like to learn more about that, send us a WhatsApp message and we'll give you all the information that you need for that course. Now, let me give us an assignment. Go to your skin whitening products that you have now and check the ingredients that are listed there and let us know some of the ingredients that are listed in your skin whitening actives, skin whitening products in the comment section. Let's see and talk about these ingredients and how they influence the skin whitening process. Now, even if we successfully inhibit the production of melanin, we still need to address the existing melanin in the skin. Now, melanin is stored in a specialized organelle that is called melanosome, and these melanosomes is within the melanocyte. Now, for your skin to evenly be brightened or for you to have an even complexion, we need to disperse the existing melanin that has been produced, that is stored in the melanosome throughout your skin. So how do you do this? This is what we are going to be teaching you in our specialized skin whitening course. Now, you cannot whiten or lighten your skin using one mechanism, because if you stop the production of melanin, you will still have melanin that has already been produced. How do you now disperse that? So for you to effectively lighten your skin and get that beautiful snowy complexion, you will need to attack the production of melanin and other melanin that has already been produced in different mechanisms, and you need different kinds of ingredients to make this work. Now, if you would like to learn how these work, if you would like to improve your skin whitening skill, if you would like to produce products that are safe and are effective, that will give your customers the results that they need, I will urge you to join our, to take our specialized skin whitening course, because this course is packed with so much information. If you want to know more about this course, send us a WhatsApp message. Our WhatsApp link is in the description bar. Send us a WhatsApp message and we'll give you all the information that you need for that course. We're going to send you the course outline, and so you have an idea of all the things that you're going to be learning. Skincare formulation is not just mixing different products. You have to understand the mechanism of formulation, the relationship between the ingredients that you're using and your skin itself. So it is a marriage relationship. Production of skincare products is an understanding of your ingredients and your skin, so that you're able to create products that are not only safe for your skin, but they are also effective to give you the results that your customers are looking for. Now, it is important to note that exposure to the UV rays of the sun can stimulate melanocytes, which can lead to an increased production of melanin. Therefore, it is important for you to protect your skin from the sun so that you can get the best results out of your skin whitening treatment. It is always important, whether you're using a skin whitening product or not, it is always important to use a broad spectrum sun protection throughout the day, even on cloudy days, as this will help to protect your skin from any form of sun damage or production of more melanin, which will then darken your skin. Now, I want to say that sometimes a lot of people complain, oh, I started using this skin whitening product and instead of getting lighter, I'm getting darker. Most of the time, your skin has already produced a huge amount of melanin. Either you are exposing yourself to the sun, but for some reason, your skin has produced enough melanin that has been stored in the melanosome that is in the melanocytes, right? Now, most of the time when you start using skin whitening products, what happens is this already existing melanin are dispersed throughout the layers of your skin. And when this happens, of course, your skin feels or looks like it is getting darker, because for your skin to get brighter, it has to get darker. I don't know if that makes sense. If you are using a certain kind of product that actually targets the dispersion of melanin, you will automatically get darker for the first few weeks, because the existing melanin has to disperse throughout the layer of the skin for so that your skin can start getting lighter. Now, if you're using a skin whitening product that inhibits the production of melanin and then also facilitates the dispersion of the already existing melanin, it means that the melanin production has reduced or it has stopped, and the ones that have already been produced has been dispersed. That means there's no other melanin that is stored. Thereby, after a few weeks, your skin will begin to get brighter because you don't have any existing melanin and your melanin production has been stopped or has drastically reduced. So if you buy a skin whitening product and the product does not whiten your skin immediately, it means that the product that you were using before was not dispersing the melanin that has already been produced. Instead, it is only altering the production of new melanin. So when you use a properly formulated skin whitening product, that's why I said, see, if you know what you're doing, these products are not going to be harmful to you. Do you understand? Now, when you use these products that have more than one mechanism of skin whitening, it means that it will target both the production and the dispersion or distribution of these existing melanin throughout the skin. And when that happens, your skin will eventually start getting lighter. So you have to be patient. It's not something that will just start working in 2 days or in 3 days or in 1 week. You have to give yourself time. And also, the reaction or the effect of the skin lightening products differ for person to person. So if my skin gets lighter using the same products in 2 weeks and your skin gets lighter using the same product in 1 month or 2 months, it means that probably I have been using a skin whitening product or a product that does not accumulate the melanin in my skin. it has been dispersing it. So when I use this product, I get results almost immediately. Whereas you have been using a product that probably was not doing the dispersion part of the event. So you would need a longer time for your skin to start reacting to the skin whitening treatment, because your skin has to disperse the existing melanin, and then you can start seeing the results. Do you understand? Like, if you have any questions around this, let me know in the comment section. Have you used any skin whitening product before and you encountered instead of your skin to get whiter or brighter, your skin is getting darker? And how long did it take? Did it take up to 2 weeks? Did it take up to 3 weeks? Let me know in the comment section so that I know. I will give you advice and also, probably make a video around your questions as well. Achieving a whiter complexion involves targeting the production of melanin from the basal layer of your epidermis. The process of skin whitening involves multiple processes or involves multiple steps. You have to activate your tyrosinase. It involves melanin synthesis inhibition, and it involves the dispersion of melanin throughout the layer of the skin, and so many others. Understanding these scientific process helps you understand or comprehend how skin whitening products work and why certain ingredients are used. Thank you so much for watching this insightful video on the scientific and chemical process of skin whitening from the basal layer. Now, if you found this video informative or educative, please leave your comment in the comment section. If you have any questions, suggestions for more videos, or you just want to, add to what I have said, please leave your comment in the comment section down below, and I will definitely come back to, look at them. If you've used skin whitening products that have darkened your skin instead of lightening your skin, please leave your comment in the comment section. I would like us to discuss more on this topic. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please, this is the best time for you to do so. Take this time to subscribe down below by hitting the red button down below. Give this video a thumbs up if you found this video informative. Also, leave your comments and share this video to your friends and families and even your enemies, and share to all those skin whitening people who do not understand what they are doing. Tell them to come and learn so that they can give you the best results that you're looking for. And yeah, that's basically it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will definitely see you tomorrow or next tomorrow in another video. Thank you so much, guys, for the support so far. I really do appreciate you guys. If you have any topic that you want me to talk about, please let me know in the comment section, and I will take my time, do my research if it's something that I need to research on, and I will bring you the information that you need. I really do appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. If you would like to join take any of our courses, please send us a WhatsApp message and we will recommend the best course for your level. We have courses for beginners, advanced, intermediate. We have specialized courses like skin whitening courses, anti-aging courses, acne, whatever course you want. Also, if you have areas that you are focused on, you can tell us and we'll create a model for you. No, these courses are not group courses. They are individual private training one-on-one with me, but they are all done online. Now you will get notes. We will have real-time conversations on call where we will discuss a lot of the notes and all of that. And we'll also have formula sheets that are given to you for you to practice and use that as your blueprint to create your own skincare formulation. So yeah, that's that. Thank you so much. If you want more information on any of the topics or any of the points that I've mentioned here, send us a WhatsApp message and we'll give you all the information that you need. Again, thank you so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.